Hi, my name is Dom. I'm a social engineer and I do offer social engineering training. I do offer social engineering training as the inventor of the social engineering engagement framework SEEF. Let me show you what I usually do with my students during social engineering class. I think one of the most important skills is becoming and achieving seriously observation skills. Of course, we will talk about Swiss chocolate, but now let me show you some of the items here I usually go through during the training with my students. We will have using comms, so it's not just about the theory, we test actually what we learn during the lessons in the trainings with proper earpieces. We will walk around and try what we have learned. Some of these tools here you have to learn yourself. Usually students cannot go to lunch if they cannot open one of those. You will learn seriously about memory sticks, prepping memory stick, make them with the help of these little things really attractive for people to pick up and plug in. You will learn of course a lot about cabling. Since I'm a licensed electrician, you probably get one of those sets here for yourself, and I will explain you how cabling works. Working with these plugs for the network cables. What else do we have nice here? So we will work with some of those tools: pineapple, nano, land turtle, rubber ducky for instance. Then if you really don't like your neighbor, we can start using one of those ones, but they're actually just for training purposes. This is for instance a card reader. We can try and do some nice things with it, etc, etc. You will learn a lot about cabling. You will learn about as well those tools. So that's actually wrenches. They come into your collar. Then you have the tie clip, which is also a bottle opener. And those ones, the cufflinks, actually have a screwdriver on it and a potsy drive as well on this one. So very nice stuff. Social engineering is really all about people, skills, what you learn, apply them, and it's not just plain theory. What you also will learn is about micro tagging, for instance. I can show you some of that a bit later, I guess, but also about the use of ultraviolet, for instance. So you can use one of these lamps or also one of those little torches. So let me show that to you, what they do. Learn about micro tagging and the use of UV light. It's just one of the items I usually do with my students. Also, probably you can see my hand, how this has been impacted by the spray I just put on before. That's the other one, nothing there. I can also show you the world's smallest UV light. This is my purse with all the cards and sometimes money in it. As really the smallest UV light, I just use a battery, this one. Then I have one LED in here. You just need to know which side you have to use. The longer one is plus, the smaller one is minus. So check your battery, the plus side and the minus side, put it on correctly, and you have the smallest UV light you can carry around and actually use. It's very useful for micro tagging. So that's it. Hopefully I see you on one of my trainings. I wish you a nice evening. Cheers. Bye.